Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the picture of your YouTube channel from a mobile. That's pretty simple. So first of all, you have to open the YouTube app and then you will see an interface like this. Now you have to click on the profile icon of your YouTube channel from here, and then you have to click on view channel, and now you have to click on this pencil icon, and now you will get an option to change your profile picture. If you click on this, you will see many photos from here of your phone, and now I'm choosing a photo from here, and then you have to crop and select a photo, and after selecting you have to click on this save as profile picture. If you click on this save as profile picture icon, then your profile picture will be changed into it. So that's all about today's video, how you can change the picture of your YouTube channel from a phone. That's all about today's video. Thank you for watching.